Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus rising, okay? And keep in mind the rules can be reversed anytime. Just give me a second. Yeah. So keep in mind the rules can be reversed anytime, okay? And as this is a general love reading, it might or might not resonate with your story. Okay, so let's start, Scorpio. Let's start. So let's see what's your partner's current energy. Your partner's current energy right now is Scorpio. Your partner's current energy right now is Eight of Cups. I feel like right now your partner is taking a decision to walk away from you or walk away from this connection or walk away from any type of connection in their life right now. See, this is walking away energy. So I feel like right now their current energy is making them actually forcing them to walk away from this connection or walk away from you in general, or might be they are walking away from somebody, okay, else. So let's clarify the Eight of Cups in their current energy. Let's clarify. Page of Swords, Ten of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. Okay. So I feel like right now this person is taking this decision that they are going to focus on their money only, their job only, their work only. That is why this person is feeling like they should walk away from this from any kind of emotional connections right now, because they are feeling like they should just focus on their stability, focus on their financial stability, and this is like they just want to work on their work, okay. They are just busy, working on their finances, working on their money, and they took this decision to walk away very suddenly. It was not a very thinkable decision, you can say. It was not planned. It was a very quick decision. It was like bingo, they got the idea. Yes, just I just want to walk away from this connection. I just want to focus on my work. I just want to focus on my money right now. So this is a very sudden and quick decision that they took. Okay, let's see your current energy, Scorpio. Your current energy right now is Nine of Pentacles. You are also focusing on your money and your business and your job right now, Scorpio. Nine of Pentacles. So I feel like right now you are feeling like I should just look good, feel good, work on my money, work on my pentacles, work on my looks, work on my physique. I should join a gym? I should start some kind of beauty routine or some kind of skincare routine, something that you wanted to do from a very long time. Now you have started doing it. It's all about self care, your love, your money, not love for money. Okay, this is your thing. So basically I feel like both of you are doing the same thing right now, but differently. You are doing it like in a very feminine and beautiful manner, and this person is like over focusing on the work. Might be they're not focusing that much on the work the way they are saying that they are doing it. Yeah, so let's clarify. Nine of Pentacles in your current energy. Five of Wands, Eight of Wands, and the Empress. Yes, I feel like you are taking this decision because right now there is hell lot of conflicts going on between you guys, and you guys are not able to take any kind of decision. So that's why you took the decision that you want a break from this person. I feel like there was an open and honest conversation about this break, and you finally decided that you want to, be single right now, and you just want to focus on your money, on your job, on your business, everything about you related to your career. Okay, because this relationship, whomsoever you are connected with, this is not working out. You guys are fighting a lot without any reason, and there is no solution coming out, and that's why you are taking this decision that okay, fine, I'm just going to focus on myself, my money, my career, my everything, my job. Okay, let's see what this person is feeling about you, their feelings for you. Let's see, Scorpio, their feelings for you. Sun could be dealing with a Leo. Otherwise, I feel like there is lots of pentacles here. So you might be dealing with the Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus. So yeah, the Sun. So what they feel about you, they feel like you're a kid. You're immature. You don't have the maturity to understand things, or you don't have the maturity to understand a relationship really well. But they feel like you're a happy kid. Okay. they feel like you're a kid in a proper positive way. They are not taking it in a negative way. They are feeling like you are a kid, and right now you don't have so much potential to handle all these things in your life, to handle emotional pain or emotions in your life, or any kind of emotional relationship. This is the thing. So let's clarify the sun in their feelings for you. Ace of Wands, the Hermit, Lovers. Okay. So this person wants to have, this person feels like they should give another chance to this connection, basically, but they are thinking about it, not doing it, no, not taking any kind of action, but they are thinking about it. Okay, they are feeling like they should, take a chance, take another chance with you, but and again they are in the silent mode about that, but they are very very attracted to you. They are very very attached to you. They love you. They have love feelings for you. You could be dealing with a Gemini here. So it's like you could be dealing with a Virgo. Lots of signs are coming here. So it's like they feel like yes, you are a childlike energy and you don't have the maturity to handle relationships well, but they deep inside they feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you. They should start this connection all over again with you, but again they go into the thinking mode, and they feel like they can't live without you actually. They feel like they have lots of attraction towards you and lots of emotions towards you, and that's why they can't leave you. This is the situation here. Although they feel very happy to be with you, they feel happy with you, they feel like they are surrounded by some kind of kids energy, some kind of positive energy. So let's clarify, let's do what they want from you, Scorpio. Let's see what this person wants from you. King of Wands. Okay. So to be very honest, this person right now wants a physical connection with you, physical relationship with you. I don't see any kind of committed relationship here. Uh, did you saw this card? This person feels like they should have a start with you, but this start should be physical. I feel like right now they are highly attracted towards you physically, and they feel like they should have a physical connection with you rather than any kind of emotional relationship with you right now. Okay, so let's clarify the King of Wands. It is like they are ready to take the risk with you, but they are not sure about the future. This is the thing, Scorpio. Let's clarify the King of Wands. Nine of Cups, the Star could be dealing with Aquarius, Knight of Swords. So it is like this connection is their wish fulfillment. They feel really happy to be with you. They are hopeful and positive that everything is going to be fine in the future, and they are just stopping themselves to rush towards you or towards this connection. So it is like yes, you are their wish fulfillment. You really make them happy, and they are really positive about the future as well, that everything is going to be fine in the future. But they're stopping themselves to come towards you in emotional manner. Right now they just want to keep it cool, keep it down, and keep it physical only. No strings attached, you can say, or no emotional attachment from their side. This is what they want from you actually right now. Okay, might be friends with benefits kind of connection they want from you right now. It could also be possible. So let's see what is coming towards you till 31st of July, Scorpio. What is coming towards you till 31st of July? Emperor could be Aries. I feel like some kind of authority figure, some kind of help is coming towards you. Might be this person is a father figure to you, might be your senior, might be somebody who is a guru or some kind of a person who is connected to you, and this person is going to make you feel good. Okay, this person is going to make you take certain kind of decision in your life. Might be you are feeling like this. Some kind of decision is coming towards you actually, Scorpio. Some kind of decision is coming. Yeah, what kind of decision is it? It is, let me see, yellow color is coming out, like popping up for you. So yellow is the color of happiness, positivity. So this decision will bring you positivity and happiness, and you are going to make yourself feel like yes, I'm the king, I'm the queen of my life. I'm going to take a decision, I'm going to stick to that. Eight of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Tower. Yeah. So I feel like you're going to take the decision of breaking up with this person, or a breakup is coming in from both the parties. Okay. This is what is coming towards you till 31st of July. A breakup. It is like you're mentally conflicted and you're feeling like somebody rejected you or somebody left you without any reason. They didn't give you any kind of valid reason to leave you, and this is kind of shocking for you. Right now you are going through a very bad phase of your life. Right now this thing is like just breaking you up from inside as well. Okay, so you are taking a decision that you are going to break up with this person and you are going to focus on your own money, on your own business. And this person is also, I feel like this person is also walking away because they want to focus on their job or career. Okay, so yeah, this was a long awaited decision that you have to take, that you had to take in the past, but finally you will be able to do that. Okay, so yeah, Scorpio, I know this is not a very good reading for you guys, but yes, this is an eye-opening reading for you. Okay, so I feel like you should just move on with your life because the show must go on. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpios. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye. Take care. Namaste.